everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for hanging out with me a bit today. I am going to be getting into my latest Stitch Fix, which is heavy and huge. So I'm guessing it's filled with all kinds of fall goodies. And let's see, if you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks with me. Willie's sitting right here. Loki's out here as well. And I expect Dexter will join us at some point. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is a beautiful sunshiny day here. It's 80 degrees, going up to 80 degrees. It already feels like that in the sun. I love that I can still be outside here in October. I'm guessing these clothes I'm going to be trying on are going to be incredibly warm for today. Perfect in a couple weeks, probably when you're going to see this video. So Stitch Fix is a styling service. It is a subscription service, meaning that typically when you sign up, they want you to pick a frequency you get them, quarterly, monthly, bi-weekly, whatever suits your lifestyle. I do think you can get them ad hoc, so you don't have to get them on a certain frequency, and you can always delay them if you want to. So right here's what I see as soon as I open my box. You can get accessories and shoes, and they have upped their game with the number of items you can get. So I don't know if this has rolled out to everybody yet. I know in the preview, so they have a preview, you can pick up to 8 items and have those sent to you. But they are now doing it so that you can actually choose to get 6, 7, 8 in your on your profile as well. So you can get more items in your fixes. I am getting 8, and I'm excited to dig into this. You can do their freestyle where you can just shop and get items. What else? You can play their style game. You can also heart items in their shop. You can heart items, and a lot of times your stylist will see that as well. And then, of course, you can always just leave notes for your stylist telling her exactly what you want. You have a good chance of getting items that you love, and I've been doing really well with my Stitch Fixes lately. So here's my first bundle, and let's see what I got. I do see shoes here at the bottom. All right, so first up is a dress. This is a mesh dress by Madden. Nice and flowy, so it's a longer, it looks maxi style. Check out the bottom, very flowy. Okay, the fun fall colors there. Then we have this is velour. I think I picked this and didn't know that. It's a button front boyfriend blazer, but it feels very soft and velour-y. See that? I wasn't sure what the fabric was. I can tell you in the picture. It does have a little bit, yeah, it has stretch. Doesn't look like it's lined. Pockets in the front there. Then I have a smocked top in leopard from Moda. This one is called the Calypso smocked top. So it's cute, like floral and animal print. We have silver jeans. This is called the Isbister wide leg jean, or Isbister wide leg jean with contrast side panels. These contrasting side panels are like so in right now. So here's the back. They're a wider leg, and then here's that. Yeah, here's the contrast. Okay. Then we have, cut from the cloth, the Kelsey high-rise Fab Ab ankle. So nice in the black. That's cute. Okay. Oh, let's see what else we got here. It's all falling out. Leather something. Oh yeah, I did pick this to try it from the preview. This is the DL 1961 Vika leather jacket. It's going to be so expensive. But I love the gold hardware on this. The little cropped look to it. We'll see if it is cropped on. It doesn't have stretch, so we'll see if it fits. It is super cute. See these little pockets here in the front? All right. That is so nice. I'm a little afraid of the price tag. I probably ignored it when I asked for it. All right, and then this is by RD Style, and it is the Jeanne full button double pocket cardigan. So that's super cute. I like that. Those big gold buttons, check those out. This is cute. Oh, it's going to be so warm to be trying this stuff on. You do get a return label for anything you don't want to keep. You do get a bag. I was looking for the bag. And then you also get your little one-pager that has notes from your stylist and your pricing sheet and a little QR code for you to get outfit ideas. All right, so just to get it over with, that leather jacket is $348. So I would definitely need 25% off. Last item. Shoes. All right, so these are nice. These are by Dolce Vita, the little scrunchie. Check out that stitching there, chunky heel. Those are cute. All right, this is gonna be fun. Let's get to it. All right, so first outfit, the dress and the boots. She paired the boots with these. How cute are these boots? Let's start there with the little scrunchy look to them. I really like these. They have a nice heel, a little bit of a pointed toe here. They're so cute. The scrunchy look is super in, and I'm kind of enjoying these. I think they would be comfortable for all day wear. Paired with the dress, so very pretty. This is mesh with the lining. It's very flowy, has all of these in panels to add more volume to it. The color, very pretty for fall, right? The yellows, the burnt oranges here. There's some green. What do you guys think of this one? Is this a keeper? I'm gonna have to watch the playback. I can't really tell. The color at first, I wasn't sure if it was gonna be good on me. But I'm kind of enjoying how this feels on. It feels really, really nice on. She paired the blazer with the black pants, but I think this would also go with this dress as well for a work look. And it's very, very soft. Like it would go with boots. This is very soft. Stretch. Pockets here. These are real pockets. They're sewn shut right now. How does that look? What do you think? I'll try it on with the black pants as well. But I think you could wear it here. Buttons. Feel how soft. It's got stretch. I'm telling you, feel how soft. I wish you could feel how soft, I should say. Reach through your computers or phones and feel how soft this is. All right. So the Steve Madden Apparel Marenne dress. I'm wearing an extra small, 119. The Liverpool button front boyfriend blazer in khaki. I'm wearing an extra small, 119. And for the boots, the Dolce Vita Julith boot. They're calling this olive. It looks tan to me, but okay, maybe a little bit of a green there. They're calling it olive. I'm wearing a size 8, which is my normal size, $240. There's some expensive pieces in this box. $240. Let's keep going. Next up, all right, so now I have on the cut from the cloth pants, which I love. Fit is amazing with that little bit of the flare bottom, I guess. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry, love. Oh, I'm so sorry. I think they come out a little bit here at the bottom. Paired it with the booties, so you can still wear the boots. You can still wear these boots with it. These have stretch. They feel amazing on. Yeah, I really like them. And then how about the little Calypso top? I wasn't sure about this, but it is cute. I left you saw my bralette on, so you're going to see that little bit of T-back in the back, but it's got the ruffle, the smocking, and then it flares out at the bottom. I think it's cute. Of all the pieces, this was one I was probably the most unsure about. Let me know what you think. Then we can share it with the blazer, which was my stylist idea. And then I'm also going to put it on with the black jacket. I do feel many of these pieces you can just mix and match. They're easy layers, so they'll go with so many things. That does look nice together. Okay, so for the cut from the cloth Kelsey high rise fab ab, I'm wearing a 2, which is my normal size, 109. And for the Few Moda Calypso Smocked top, I'm wearing an extra small, $80. And let's try on the DL 1961 jacket. I can't wait to see what that looks like. All right, so this is so nice. It is a little cropped, hitting right at the top of the waistband, I guess, of my pants. Loving the gold hardware on here. Feels really good on. If I wanted to put heavier items on underneath here, like bulkier, I would probably have to size up, because here's where I am with the buttons. You know, with one button, right? You know, buttoned up. I do have a little bit of room, but I would, you know, have to not wear like a sweater underneath here, for example, something like this. The arms are probably, I can just make it. They're a little bit long on me, which is normal. I think this is beautiful. So it's by DL 1961, and it's called the Vika leather jacket. I'm wearing an extra small, and as I said, $348. Final outfit. How about these silver jeans? These are very comfortable, very relaxed. They are a wider leg. You can see that insert panel looks good with the boots. I was worried that it was going to be too long. That's not an issue at all. In fact, I could wear flats or tennies with these. The inset is very fun. And then I put on this cardigan with all the fun gold buttons. This is really nice. Very nice, chunky, feels really good on. Goes well over this top. The jeans hit right about belly button, so higher rise. I'm wearing my normal size. I have a little bit of room. They feel comfortable though. This is super cute. I think all these outfits were nice. All right, so for the silver jeans, it's Isbister wide leg jean. I'm wearing a 2, $98. And then for the cardigan, which is the RD style jean, full button, double pocket cardigan, I'm wearing an extra small, $79. For everything, $1,192. I'd get 25% off. If I keep 5 or more, we'll bring it down to $894. But let's talk about what we think we should keep. All right, it's definitely time to wrap. It's starting to get noisier out here. So I absolutely am in love with these big buttons. What do you guys think of these? Those are fun, right? I like that. All right, so I'm thinking I want to keep that. In all honesty, I probably won't keep this. Heading into fall and all this ruffle detail and stuff, I think another leopard top would work just as well, so probably not. I'm going to watch the playback, but I enjoyed the silver jeans, so I'm thinking about those. I'm definitely thinking about this. I'm also thinking about this jacket. I know the price tag, I have to really think about it. I really enjoyed the different kind of pocket here on the side. Like, it's a little different, and I enjoyed the big gold hardware. I'm trying to decide if I want to go baggier and go for a small, or have the more fitted look and stick with the extra small. So I'm deciding. I think it would be well with a long sleeve tee, which is probably what I would typically wear under it anyway. I really did like this blazer. Loved it. Super soft. Going to be great for those all day long meetings or travel days as well. And then the dress. The dress, I need to see the playback. I'm leaning towards probably not, but I'm very interested to see what it looked like. Weigh in, please. Let me know. And then last, we had the boots, which I still have on here. I really like these. So I think I would probably look to see other colors they come in to see if there's anything I like better before I purchase this pair, but I like the boot. So that's a wrap. What did you guys think? I will list all these items down below, of course, in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist or shop their shop and grab them right away and not wait. But let me know what you think the keepers are. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to swipe in the comments and hit that hype. And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.